Hello and welcome to the MCQ lecture series. In my today's lecture, I'll talk about some of the important multiple choice questions with respect to Indian Financial Systems 2, which is the economics general paper for SYBA. In this class, I'll talk about the syllabus for semester 4 and the first chapter of the same, which means Reserve Bank of India. In my previous lecture, I have covered some of the multiple choice questions with respect to the same. The link for the same will be given in the description, so do check that as well. Let us now look at what do we have in this class. So the first question is, the governor and deputy governors of Reserve Bank of India are appointed for dash years, or alternatively the question can be framed, what is the tenure of the governor and deputy governor of Reserve Bank of India? And let us look at the underlying options. The options are A 1, B 2 years, C 5 years, and D 10 years. So here I am looking at the tenure of governor as well as the deputy governors. In my previous class, we have seen that there are 4 deputy governors to assist the governor of Reserve Bank of India, and the tenure of all of these members is option C, 5 years. So therefore the governor as well as the deputy governor of Reserve Bank of India is appointed for the term of, or the tenure of, 5 years. So option C is the correct answer to this particular question. Let us now move to the next one. The tenure of local board of directors nominated by the government of India is dash years. We have seen in my previous lecture that how many members are coming from the local board of directors as well as how many are nominated by the government of India to the Reserve Bank Central Board of Directors. And in segue of the same, here the question is looking at the tenure of local board of directors nominated by government of India, and the underlying options are A 4 years, B 5 years, C 6 years, and D 7 years. So again here the tenure of local board of directors nominated by the government of India is equal to 5 years. It is same as that of the governor as well as deputy governors of Reserve Bank of India, and therefore option B, 5 years, is the correct answer to this particular question. Let us now move to the next one. The next is dash subcommittee is the one which is concerned with matters relating to building projects. Okay, so which subcommittee is talking about or is engaged or concerned with matters relating to building projects? Whether it is A staff committee, B construction committee, C building committee or subcommittee, and D none of the above. So here the subcommittee entrusted with matters relating to building projects is none other than the building subcommittee of the Reserve Bank of India, and therefore option C is the correct answer to this particular question. I hope the question is clear. Let us now move to the next one. Again another type of subcommittee, and the question is framed in this fashion: dash subcommittee is concerned with staff and other matters associated with Reserve Bank of India. Staff and other matters associated with Reserve Bank of India, and the underlying options are A regular subcommittee, B ordinary subcommittee, C staff subcommittee, and the last option is extraordinary subcommittee. And here the answer is staff committee. The concerned committee is staff committee, which is looking at staff as well as other matters in relation to Reserve Bank of India, and therefore staff subcommittee is concerned with staff and other matters associated with Reserve Bank of India. I hope the distinction between these two subcommittees is pretty much clear. Let us now move to the next one. The next is pretty easy. The headquarters of Reserve Bank of India is located at which place? The headquarter of Reserve Bank of India is located at dash, and the underlying options are A Chennai, B Mumbai, C Calcutta, and D Delhi. So here this is pretty much easy. It is Mumbai, and therefore option B is correct answer to this question. That means headquarters of the Reserve Bank of India is established at Bombay or Mumbai. So I hope this question is clear. Let us now move to the next one. The next one is looking at who is the agent of Reserve Bank of India, and the question is framed in this fashion: dash acts as the agent of Reserve Bank of India at those places where the Reserve Bank of India does not maintain its own office. So wherever in India the Reserve Bank of India is not maintaining its own office, somebody acts as an agent of Reserve Bank of India. And who's that institution? Let us look at the underlying options: A Bank of Baroda, B Bank of India, C State Bank of India, and D Axis Bank. So here the correct answer is State Bank of India. So here the State Bank of India acts as the agent of Reserve Bank of India at those places where the Reserve Bank of India does not maintain its own offices. Okay, so I hope this question is clear. Very important question. You might get such questions in the paper. Anyways, let us now move to the next one. Which of the following is a training institution established by the Reserve Bank of India? Which of the following is a training institution established by the Reserve Bank of India? And the underlying options are: A, Banking Training College, Bombay; second is College of Agricultural Banking, Pune; third is Reserve Bank Staff College, Chennai; and D, all of the above. So which of the following are training institutions established by Reserve Bank of India? These are all training institutions established by the Reserve Bank of India. That means Banking Training College, Bombay; the second is College of Agricultural Banking, Pune; the third is Reserve Bank Staff College, Chennai, and therefore option D, all of the above, is the correct answer to this question. I hope it is clear. They might ask you individually as well. That means Banking Training College, which is established by the Reserve Bank of India, is located at dash, and they'll give you the cities. Okay, so you have to remember the name of the institution as well as the place. So you might get such questions looking at the details of the papers which were there in the previous semester. Anyways, you have to remember that Banking Training College is at Bombay, the College of Agricultural Banking is at Pune, and the Reserve Bank Staff College is at Chennai. So these are the three institutions, training institutions specifically established by the Reserve Bank of India. I hope this is clear. Let us now move to the next one. The important role played by Reserve Bank of India in Indian economy is denoted by, or the important roles are denoted by dash. Okay, so let us look at the underlying options. The first is regulator of financial systems, second is controlling currency and credit, third is promotion as well as development of financial institutions, and last is all of the above. So here all these are roles played by Reserve Bank of India in the economy, meaning thereby it acts as a regulator, it controls currency and credit, it promotes development of financial institutions, and therefore option D, all of the above, is the correct answer to this question. I hope the question is clear. Let us now move to the next one. The next one is the Reserve Bank of India has taken dash steps as promotional measures. Which steps as promotional measures out of the following? Let us look at it. The first is established bill market in the year 1952. The second is promoted regional rural banks. The third is promotes research in banking, and the last is all of the above. So here, what all steps has the Reserve Bank of India taken so as to make sure that it is a promotional measure? So these are all the steps. That means the Reserve Bank of India has taken these steps, that is established bill market in 1952, promoted regional rural banks, promotes research in banking. So these are all in relation to promotional measures taken by the Reserve Bank of India, and therefore option D, all of the above, is the correct answer to this question. I hope the question is clear. Let us now move to the last question in this session, which is the promotional role of Reserve Bank of India incorporates dash. The promotional role of Reserve Bank of India incorporates what? And the underlying options are: A, establishment of financial corporations; B, enabled commercial banks to open branches in foreign centers; C, established the Export-Import Bank of India; and D, all of the above. So these are all the promotional roles of Reserve Bank of India, and therefore the answer to this question is all of the above. That means the promotional role of Reserve Bank of India incorporates: A, the establishment of financial corporations; B, enabled or enables commercial banks to open up centers or branches at foreign centers; and C, established the Export-Import Bank of India, and therefore, or Import-Export Bank of India. So here the correct answer is option D, all of the above. So I hope the multiple choice questions are pretty much clear. Please stay tuned for more. Thank you.